Hey guys, so this is my very first time making glossy slime, and that's pretty much it for this video. So yeah, why are there little dots on this? It's bad lighting. Alright, let's get on with the video. I backed it up a little bit more. And I did my research and I saw that you actually needed clear glue and white glue. You're probably wondering why I have the clear glue in a cup. Well, it leaked from the bottom. So yeah, I'm going to be trying one with shaving cream and one without shaving cream, because there are ones that have shaving cream in them and then there are ones that don't. So I'm just like confuzzled. Actually, I'm going to be right back. Yeah? Okay. Wait 1 sec. Alright, I got it. So with the first one, I'm going to try it with shaving cream. Okay, so you pour in some clear glue. Okay. Now you pour in your white glue. Sorry, it's my mom. And then you mix, and then you'll know if it's the right amount of white glue if it turns white. Now I'm going to put in the shaving cream. I'm only going to put in a little bit. Yes, that's a little bit. Oh, it's already kind of activating my slime. Yeah, because like the last time I got this, it was like, I got the clear glue, it like kind of activated it with the shaving foam already. I don't know. Now, ooh, food coloring, give me a sec. Let's make it a glossy yellow. What the heck? Please stand by. This looks orange, but I know that it's yellow. So, I want you guys to see me mix it because people find that very satisfying, and I find it very satisfying when people do it. Nice. It's already getting glossy. But that's how most of my slimes turn out. Whoa, I think this is going to be the shortest slime video, but every single time I say that, turns out not to be, but I don't know. Okay, so it's getting a little weird. The tide is clumping up. Oh, never mind. It's still super sticky. Did you guys see that? Oh my god. Oh my god. I'll back up the camera a little bit more. Ooh. Oh. Technical difficulties. Alright, there we go. Okay, I think it's time for me to start kneading with my hands. I'm just gonna put the spoon there. I think I need some more Tide. I don't know. This is a really weird consistency. I've never made this type of slime before. It's really weird. At least not to my knowledge. I don't think I've made this before. No, I haven't. And I'm having conversations with myself, so. just trying not to get this hand dirty, but as you can see, it's a little bit dirty. Alright. Gonna get some more Tide. I'm sorry if this is like boring for you guys, but it's actually really nice. I'm trying to like stretch it up that way you guys can like see the consistency so far. You know what? I'm just gonna go with both my hands. Oh, so I'm actually going to do a thing called Vlogmas, and it's basically just gonna be me vlogging on December 1st, and I'm gonna be vlogging up until Christmas. Did I say Halloween? Or did I say Christmas? I don't know. But anyways, it is going to be till Christmas. Wait, I don't think I said Halloween. I don't know, I might have. Ooh, it's so stretchy. This is like amazing slime. This is my new favorite type of slime. But I don't know if it's really glossy. Actually, it is pretty glossy. Like, it's very shimmery. It is extremely stretchy. So I'll get. Do you see it? Do you see this? Here, guys, watch this transition. Boom! I just finished kneading the slime, and it's a really good consistency. It's super stretchy. I just made the bowl empty. So yeah, I'm going to do the ASMR at the end, but now I'm going to make the regular thing without the shaving cream. Alright. Just gonna use the rest of it. Ay, ay, ay. Yay, yay. Hi. Alright, the color will be blue. Actually, yeah, blue. Oh my gosh, yes. Can you guys see that? That's like beautiful. Oh. Okay, I might have to cut that out. Alright, let's go. Oh, that was... quick, sorry. Okay, I'm just trying to go quickly. Alright, so I'm just going to pause this right here. So I might have added too much activator, so I'm just going to add in a little bit of white glue. Ah! Okay. Okay, I think it's good. Yes, I'm going to mix it with the spoon because... Gonna start kneading. Knead. Yeah, this is way overactivated. So I'm going to be right back. Okay, so it actually turned out to be a really nice consistency. I'm still kneading it a little bit though, because it is, there are like little chunks in there. But it's really stretchy, really pokeable. So yeah, I'm going to be comparing them, so let's go. Alright, so I'm going to be showing you them individually, like what they do and which one is glossier and if I recommend it. So the first one I'm going to do is the blue slime. I'm going to show you the blue slime first. Give me just a sec. Sorry. Okay, so basically the blue slime is super stretchy, like super duper stretchy. It is very glossy, even when I play with it. So it did say that if I want the final product as like really glossy, then it's gonna have to sit like overnight. So this is gonna be part 1, and then tomorrow I'm going to show you guys part 2. And it's really good at making bubbles with. So yeah, onto the green one. Okay, so this one is super stretchy as well. Very good at making bubble popping noises and good at making bubbles. And ooh, it's poking. Okay, so cue the ASMR. So, honestly, I do not know which one is better. Now, I'm going to take a little bit of this, and a little bit of that. Oh my god. It's gonna be so... I think it's gonna make like a lightish, darkish green. Okay, that doesn't make sense. Alright. So, oh, okay, so I'm just gonna keep on mixing it. Ooh, it's like a it's like a lime. The lime's lime. Wow. So yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. Bye.